Secret Language of Plants, How They Communicate. Welcome back to our gardening channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of plant communication. You might be surprised to learn that plants have their own secret ways of sending signals to each other. Let's uncover this hidden language together. Have you ever wondered how plants talk to each other? Well, it turns out they use chemical signals to communicate important information. When plants are under attack by pests, they release volatile organic compounds into the air. These compounds act as distress signals that nearby plants can detect. But it's not just the air that carries messages. Through their roots, plants exchange chemical signals in the soil. They can warn neighboring plants about potential threats or share nutrients. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Mycorrhizal fungi act as messengers, forming networks between plant roots. They help plants communicate and share resources, creating a sort of underground internet. Plants can even cooperate in defense. When one plant is attacked, it can produce chemicals that make it less appealing to pests. Nearby plants might pick up on this signal and produce the same defensive chemicals. So, the next time you're in your garden, remember that there's a secret language being spoken all around you. Plants are communicating, supporting each other, and responding to their environment in ways we're just beginning to understand. Host. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the secret language of plants. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of gardening. Until next time, happy gardening!